Hello and welcome to Markets Today with me, Gaurav Kashyap. We've seen a bit of mixed trading heading into the European session. Of course, the Euro USD was slightly higher at the Asian closing, up about 44 pips, and they've gone ahead and pared most of those gains to trade in the red today, following some weaker than expected inflationary data coming from the Eurozone. Data showed that overall inflation came in at 1.4%. This was well below the estimates of at 1.5% and far below the previous reading at 1.9%. So overall, the Euro USD has reversed a little bit of sentiment, but the sell-off hasn't been too large, to say the least. When you look at the pound also was about 50 pips lower through the Asian closing, and the bearish sentiment has accelerated through the European session, and the pound against the US dollar actually went ahead and tested those last Friday lows at 127.70 levels. There has been a bit of a strong consolidation at the current levels at the time of recording this video, but if we do see a comprehensive and clean break of that 127.70 level, this could trigger a whole lot of stop losses being activated, which could see the pound test 126.80 levels in the immediate 1 or 2 days of trading. But as I said, at the time of recording, it was consolidating at 127.70, and it seems like that seems to be a very good buying support level going ahead into the US session. Speaking of the US session, we do not have the weekly inventories due out. As you're aware, they come out every Wednesday. Monday was a public holiday in the US for Memorial Day, and as a result, the inventories will be pushed towards tomorrow. As a result of this, the main piece of data we'll be watching out for will be the Canadian GDP reading due out at 12:30 GMT. Once again, the expectations are to see growth in Canada at around 0.2% on the month-on-month number. Now, if we do see a slightly better than expected reading, we could see further gains, further downsides in the USD CAD, and we probably expect to see strength in the CAD in the week ahead due to a bounce back in oil prices. So we're going to keep a 1 or 2 week view in the USD downside target of around 1.33 in the 2 weeks ahead. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, give it a share. If you have any comments or any questions about what we discussed today, please leave them in the comments below, and I'd be more than happy to address them. Good luck in trading today, and we'll see you tomorrow.